Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you everything on my computer, but you can do the same work on your mobile phone. I already made a video about AI video generator where I showed how to make animated story. In this video, I'll show you a brand new free AI tool that will generate high-quality videos for free, and this AI tool is more advanced than any other AI video generators. Let's get started.
So make sure to watch the full video. The first step is to generate a story script for our video for this tutorial. I'm going to use this story I have collected from Google Your Find. You'll find millions of stories in Google. If you want to create a unique story, you can use ChatGPT. Step number 2. Now, we need to create a voiceover for our story using AI. If you want to use your real voiceover in your story, you can also do that. Just open the default voice recorder on your mobile phone and start recording your voice. If you want to use AI-generated voiceover, you can also do that for free. To generate voiceover, we're going to use Flicky. I'll put the link in the video description. You can use any voice generator you want, like 11 Labs or Marfa. To use Flicky, you need to create a free account. You can do that easily in a few clicks using your Gmail. After that, you'll come over to this page. Here we need to click on New File and select Audio Only. Then we need to select our language and dialect. I'm going to keep it in English and United States dialects. And here we need to type a file name and then click on Submit. And it will redirect you to this page. Now what we're going to do is we are going to copy the story from Google and paste it here on Flicky. And now let's check out the voice quality. So this is a female voiceover. If you want to change the voiceover, you can do that easily. Just go here and select any of these voices. Flicky has over 300 voices in 75 plus languages. Here you need to make sure that this A2 is not completely free. You'll get a free trial for a limited time. If you want to use this tool unlimited. So now we need to download the voiceover. To do that, go to Download and click on Start Export. And it will be downloaded to your PC. When you have generated a voiceover, your step number 2 is also completed. Our 3rd step is to generate animated videos using AI. To do that, we're going to use a new AI tool called Moon Valley. Moon Valley is a brand new AI text-to-video model. It creates some stunning AI videos, and it is not like other video generators at all. This one actually creates some good-looking videos. It offers you 5 different styles of making your videos, and you can even make longer videos too. Now I know that you want to use it right now, so click the link below in the video, and it will take you to this website. Now let me tell you that Moon Valley works on Discord just like me, Jenny. They need to have a Discord account to use it. You can easily make a Discord account using any email on their website. After that, just press the Try the Better button and you'll see the Discord invite link. Just press the Accept button and you'll join the Moon Valley AI Discord server. As you can see, this is the Moon Valley Discord server. After you're here, you need to scroll down and click any of these 6 channels right here. These are the channels where you'll create your AI videos. Just select any one that you want here. After clicking, you'll be able to see the channel. Now as you can see, many people are making their videos here. Now we should also get started. Now all you have to do is go to the text box here and type /create. Then you'll see the full command here, so just click on it and you'll see the full command template in your text box now. In the prompt box, you have to write the prompts for your video. You can write anything that you want. I'm going to copy the prompt from Google and paste it here also. I'm going to write some additional words for better results. After that, come to this tile box and select the style from here. Moon Valley AI offers you 5 different styles. Just select the one that you want to use here. I'm going to select the 3D animation, and after that, come to the duration box. I select the length of your video. I'm going to select medium. Then you can press the enter button and boom. Your video will start getting generated just like that. Now you need to wait for a little here and boom. There you go. Your AI video has been created just like that. The quality of the video is mind-loving and this AI is more advanced than any other video generators. Now we can download the video by clicking on the download button. Using the same strategy, we need to generate all of the videos according to our voiceover. Okay, so we have completed our 3-step. Now we move on to the last step. Here we'll combine and edit all of these things to make a story video. You can use any video editor you like. I'll use the CapCut app because this is a free and very professional app and is available for all devices. When you download this app on your mobile phone or PC, just open the app and click on the New Project button. Now import all the videos and voiceover you created and also import any background music you like. You can download background music from the YouTube audio library or any other website. I've downloaded this music from Epidemic Sound. I'll put the link in the video description. So now drag all of these to the timeline and then adjust the placement of everything. You need to adjust the video according to your voice. So make sure to listen to the audio over and over and cut the rest of the footage. After that, I'll use an effect called Mini Star, which makes the video more interesting. So to do that, go to the effect and find the mini story effect, and then drag this layer to the entire timeline. So your video is almost ready. Let's open the video.
I'm not ready yet, ready to forget now. I'm not ready yet, ready to forget. I'm not ready yet.
This is mind-blowing. To export the video, go to Export and again, click on Export. In a few minutes, your video will be ready.
If you found this video helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is free for you, but it will inspire me to create more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.